All age groups drive their cars, but we need to take some precautions before you land up in trouble. One day, I was traveling in my car on Begumpet flyover. Because of the traffic congestion, I stayed almost 2 hours. My bladder was full. I didn't know how to pass urine. It was a really tough time. These kind of situations can happen to anybody. If you are above 45 years, if you are having diabetes, hypertension, or any prostate enlargement or urinary bladder problems, all of you should follow these guidelines. Firstly, diabetic persons, if they get delayed for their meal time, they are likely to go into hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia means your sugar in your blood goes much below 180 or so, and then person may feel giddy, sweat. Sometimes person can collapse also. So all the diabetic persons who are driving car regularly, they must have some candy, sweet or chicky or some kind of a dry snack, biscuits in their car. If you foresee that because of the congestion in traffic, you're getting delayed, you better have a small snack in your car so that your sugar doesn't go below normal, and once sugar goes normal, your driving capability also will go down. Your neuromuscular coordination will cease. So your risk of meeting an accident is very, very, very high. So first thing, all diabetic persons should maintain snack in their car. Secondly, people who have a bladder dysfunction or urinary problems, frequent urination troubles like prostate enlargement or post-surgery, all these people may have to urinate every 2 to 3 hours. And these are the people, if you're traveling regularly on a city roads, you must keep one urine bottle. If you go to any surgical shop, you'll get a urine bottle with a lid. Because if you have to stay for 2 hours in the car in a congested area, it is better, you pass some urine into that bottle and seal it and put it. Later on you can throw it, because it will save you from severe mental stress and also great discomfort. People who are doing fasting, or people who skip their meals, or people who are in a rush in the morning and skip their breakfast, all these people, even without diabetes, also can go into hypoglycemia. Merely lack of sugar in the blood because you didn't have any food. So you also have to maintain small snack in your car. If you see in my car, I have always 2 chicky bars in my car because they can serve you in emergency. So nowadays, cities like Bangalore, Delhi, Calcutta, people are spending more than 2 hours in a car. So all the people who drive regularly, you must follow these guidelines. Definitely keep some water in a glass bottle. Don't keep it in a plastic bottle. If you drink from a plastic bottle, it is already heated up more than 15 to 80 degrees. The bisphenol, the chemical agent, inside the bottle, they get dissolved and they're all carcinogenic. Everybody is aware of. There are a lot of people above 35 years need correction in their spectacles because of the reading difficulty or distant vision difficulty. All those people who wear spectacles, ideally if you're driving, you should wear progressive glasses. If you're wearing bifocal, there is no mid-range vision available. So the people who have a difficulty, they'll keep lifting their head up and down, up and down. They're likely to go into a kind of a neck injury and neck pain and other related problems. So you must have your spectacles corrected properly, and you must wear always progressive glasses if you have vision corrected glasses. Last but most important, always make sure your tank is full of fuel. This is very important. Your car should be able to go at least 150 kilometers anytime if you're sitting in the car. Because You are not stopping the engine idling during these traffic jams. You are driving in first gear or a very low gear, likely to burn more fuel. So please, and your AC is burning. So that's why you must have adequate fuel in your car. And don't get frustrated during traffic jams. Be peaceful, listen to music, increase your AC. I hope with all these tips, you will have a safe driving every day.